Have you ever wondered how to keep your teeth free from tartar and plaque buildup? Today, we're diving into a simple yet effective solution to prevent the accumulation of tartar, which is essentially a hardened form of dental plaque. But what exactly is plaque, and why does it matter? Plaque is essentially a biofilm, a mixture of bacteria and calcium that forms a protective barrier around the bacteria, shielding them from your immune system and even antibiotics. These biofilms are found all around us, even in nature, such as on rocks and streams, where they appear as slimy films. They are nature's survival mechanism, and they're just as prevalent inside your mouth, especially when saliva mixes with food particles. Over time, this can lead to bad breath, gum inflammation, receding gums, and plaque buildup. So, what can you do to manage or prevent tartar from taking hold on your teeth? The solution is simpler than you might think. There are a few key ingredients you can use, starting with a basic and affordable one: baking soda. Let me explain why it's so effective. The role of baking soda in oral health. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is highly effective in neutralizing acids. Tartar can form when the pH balance in your mouth becomes too acidic. When acids build up, they leach calcium from your teeth, weakening them and allowing plaque to harden into tartar. Baking soda works wonders by raising the pH, making your mouth more alkaline, and preventing the acidic environment that favors tartar formation. Moreover, baking soda helps break down biofilms and prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to your teeth. The great news is that your body actually produces this same compound in your saliva, so using it externally is a natural and safe way to support your oral health. How to use baking soda for healthy teeth. To create an effective remedy, mix a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda into 1/2 cup of water. This simple solution can be used to rinse your mouth and even help break down plaque. Hydrogen peroxide. A powerful ally. Next, let's talk about hydrogen peroxide. This common compound is often used to disinfect cuts and wounds, but it's also highly effective against plaque. Hydrogen peroxide helps inhibit biofilm development and can kill bacteria, yeast, and other microbes that contribute to plaque formation. Like baking soda, hydrogen peroxide is naturally produced by your body as a way to combat infection, so using it externally can be just as beneficial. To use hydrogen peroxide, mix a 1/4 teaspoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide with a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 cup of water. Swish it around your mouth or use it with a toothbrush after brushing with your regular toothpaste. This simple rinse can help stop plaque from regrowing and keep your teeth smooth and tartar-free. Bonus tip: vitamin K2. While it's not directly linked to preventing tartar, research suggests that vitamin K2, especially when paired with vitamin D3, can contribute to healthier teeth. It helps transport calcium to your bones and out of soft tissues, which can help prevent the buildup of plaque. Some people who take vitamin K2 report smoother teeth and less plaque buildup, making it a valuable addition to your routine. Conclusion: a simple way to keep tartar at bay. By incorporating a few simple ingredients like baking soda and hydrogen peroxide into your routine, you can help prevent tartar buildup and maintain smoother, healthier teeth. Remember, it's the small, consistent steps that lead to lasting oral health. If you found this information helpful, please like and share. Knowledge is power to help others benefit as well. Keep exploring for more health tips that can make a real difference in your well-being.